What's the difference between the HP 305 and the 305 XL Tricolour ink cartridges? Now, as you can see, both cartridges are physically the same size, and they retain compatibility with all the same printers as well. Within the 305, you will find 2 milliliters of ink across the 3 colours, and in the 305 XL, there's more than double at 5 milliliters. Now, when it comes to page yields, HP estimate 100 pages at 5% page coverage from the standard capacity, and 200 from the XL. Bang on, twice as many pages. Now let's see what those quantities of ink equate to inside of the cartridges. So, inside the standard capacity 305, you see there's 3 small sponges, yellow, magenta, cyan, and they're kind of caged in within a little plastic wall, the rest of the cartridge being air. Now, the 2 milliliters of this cartridge are spread between these 3 chambers, so we've got less than a milliliter in each one. If we look at the cyan, that seems to be reflected, magenta, and yellow. And the rest, just plastic and air. Now when it comes to the XL, let's see what they do with more than twice as much ink. And we have a similar design here, with there being a lot of air and the sponges walled in. Now this is 5 milliliters of ink spread between the 3 chambers, so almost 2 milliliters in each one. It actually goes a fair bit further as far as the staining on the sponges goes. You can see there was a fair bit more ink in this one. It's just a shame that HP don't fill the entire chamber with sponge like they used to on some of their older range of cartridges, as there is the potential to get a lot more in that unit. Now, if you're looking to purchase this product or their remanufactured alternatives, you can find them listed on our website. But thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you found it useful, do drop me a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, pop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.